today we are going to do some math problems, and I'll show you how we're going to do it. All right, are you ready? Are you excited to do some math? Okay. Let's start by, why don't you reach in here and pick out two numbers. Let's see what numbers we're going to work with today. Let's see. What number is this?
3.
3. We'll put the 3 here. And what number is this?
2.
2. Okay, I'm going to tell you a story, and you help me show it, okay? One day, little Didi was walking through the forest and saw some fruit growing on trees.
We got outside and then saw some oranges.
Oranges. Okay, how about you saw 2 oranges? Do you want to pick 2 oranges from there to show?
Shoot. No.
It's
3.
okay.
It's a 3 out there.
Here, put 2 oranges in there. He picked 2 oranges and 3 lemons. Do you want to show 3 lemons?
And that is lemon.
Okay. It's okay.
For look, beach.
So let me ask you a question.
Okay.
If he picked 2 oranges and 3 lemons, how many pieces of fruit did he pick all together? Yes! How many pieces of fruit is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes! He picked 5 pieces of fruit. Very good. You just did a math problem. Now I'm going to show you what that looks like when we write an equation. We say 2, because we're talking about 2 oranges, plus 3 equals 5. And that's what the equation looks like. And if you wanted to show it, you could say 2 oranges plus 3 lemons equal 5 pieces of fruit. Do you want to try another one?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, why don't you put those numbers back in the bag, and then we'll pick 2 more.
And then tell that story about.
And we'll tell a different story. Alrighties.
About me.
Okay, about you. So Didi had a mousie who wanted to eat 1 grape. Can you show me 1 grape? And Jeje had a mousie who wanted to eat 4 strawberries.
We all want to have 4 strawberries.
Okay, can you put 4 strawberries there?
Eek. Book.
Alrighty. Now, Mommy Mouse came and said, I see that you had 1 grape, Mousie 1, and you had 4 strawberries, Mousie 2. How many pieces of fruit did they eat all together? How do we figure that out? How many pieces of fruit did they eat all together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. And do you want to help me? Do you want to help me show that as an equation? Where do we put the 1? 1 for the grape, right? And then where do we put the 4? 4. So it's 1. This is a plus sign. Plus 4. That's the 4 strawberries, right? And what does that equal? What number do I write here?
5.
5.
5 again.
5 again. Now let me ask you another question, Didi.
Going to do no story.
Which mousie had more? Is it 1 grape or 4 strawberries? Which one is more? The strawberries. There are more strawberries and less grapes. Do you want me to give you a challenge?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a challenge then. Put the numbers back and I'll give you a challenge. Didi and Jeje went picking for apples. They picked 4 apples all together. Okay? these are the 4 apples they picked all together. If Didi picked 1 apple, how many apples did Jeje pick?
3.
3! Jeje picked 3 apples. You figured out that 3 is the one that's missing there. So that means if we know Didi picked 1 apple, and all together you picked 4 apples, then Jeje picked 3 apples because 1 plus 3 equal 4. Wow, Didi, that was a challenge problem.